Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacy. This is my Go Wild Journey vlog number 2. I've got 2 packages I'm going to open up with you, and these are items that are going to help with my Go Wild planning. Picked up some things from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to talk through those. So if you're ready to jump into this part 2, stick around. All right, before we jump into the packages, a couple things I picked up from Hobby Lobby yesterday, Saturday. What's today? Sunday. My days are getting mixed up. I'm not sure why, but Saturday. Picked it up on Saturday. I heard they were having some major clearance, but I don't think it's gotten to my part of the United States yet. So, but I still picked up some things nevertheless. First things first. In vlog number 1, you saw my little planner bag situation. They had this leopard print pinky peach strap, and I thought it was perfect. So I'm leaning towards taking this bag for sure. And then the other thing I spotted was this pink cowgirl boot pin, and I thought that was perfect. So I went ahead and grabbed that. And then I'm still fidgeting around with my table mate gifts, and the first thing, y'all are gonna get a sneak peek here. I've ordered these knockoff stony clover, if you will, see-through bags, and I have one that I carry in my purse. I've actually got several variations of it depending on the bag that I'm carrying. I like to match, but this is kind of like my emergency kit. I have all the things you might need, like Tylenol, Motrin, a Band-Aid, a paper clip, a safety pin, a needle and thread, floss strips or whatever. So that's kind of what I'm planning to put together for my table mate gifts. And then I picked up some beads because I was looking for some sort of charm to put on the bag, and I did buy from Temu some llama charms, but did not realize that I had to bedazzle them myself, and I just don't know if I have patience or time for that. So something that I do know how to do are beads. So this was my practice planner charm set. I did not have any gold wiring, so I think I'm gonna head off to the store today to get that situated and then get started putting those together. But there's a little sneak peek, and I will share more of that when I get to putting them all together. So in the meantime, let's jump into these packages. So this one is RongRong. I cannot pull that up. I just did one item because, I mean, there's just too many new releases coming out. I want to make sure I'm spending mindfully. So here's a little advertisement for her mystery PET tape subscription, which I'm not interested in at this time, but I am interested in this. So I picked up the sticker pack for the RongRong Dallas, and let's go ahead and zoom you in a little bit more. All right, so this is going to get us started with our planning. Very cute. I love the group of gals and the photos in the background. Got our Go Wild Dallas planner. Super cute. notebooks. Love, love, love. I think that looks like a repeat, but I'm not sure. And then you've got the deco stickers, some food, don't mess with Texas women, all the beautiful gals, cute outfit, very nice. So there you have it. I really have enough to get started, honestly, so I need to get started. All right, and then this one I discovered in the Go Wild Facebook group, and this is, I just want to make sure I don't have any receipts. This is Tisa. Oh, so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. We got a charm. And it says Go Wild. It's like acrylic. Super fun. And then this is a Stanley Cup topper, which I happen to have right here. So we're just gonna slide that on, and I hope it's a fit. Yeah, I just needed to move the straw. So there you have it. So cute. I have one Stanley, this very light pink, and I actually bought a sling carrier for it, because I'm probably going to take that with me. I'm assuming it's going to be somewhat warm in April, and you want to make sure you stay hydrated. All right, and then I got some, what are these called? UV TDF can glass 16-ounce wraps. So I don't plan to necessarily use them on, let's see, I'm trying to find some white paper to put it on. So Planner Love. I might put it on this tumbler. That would be really cute, actually. So I might do that, or I may end up finding like a Starbucks tumbler. And then this one says Go Wild Dallas. So lots of options, different things that you could consider putting it on. That would be really cute. So yeah, those are the two orders that I've gotten, and I'm trying to think if there's anything else I can share in this part of the video. Probably not. So yeah, we're gonna jump into planning here very soon.